my friend Alvia. Hi. Alsatia. Hi. And Sophie. Hi. Welcome to our vlog, my cooking adventure. Let's go! I hope you are well and happy every day. Everybody love food and everyone love traveling with friends. So today I will take you to my cooking adventure. Stay tuned. Hi, now we are in our journey to our cooking area.
This place is so awesome. Lots of pine trees and pine cones.
Here we are. Welcome to our kitchen. Let's prepare our cooking tools.
This is a
Pan, stove, cutting board, knife, spatula. First, let's prepare the sausage. And don't forget to cut the veggies like this. Put the butter to the pan and put the sausage. Bim salabim abracadabra.
This is it. This is a special sausage from us.
From my cooking adventure. Don't forget to share with your loved one and your friend. Wow, this is delicious. I hope you enjoyed. See you